how to make a story.
Big hill,
Mm-hmm.
and they hid behind it.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to help kids write amazing stories even if they don't know where to start. We will make it fun, simple and creative. Stories are magical. They let kids explore new world, meet exciting characters and share their ideas. But sometimes kids don't know where to start. So when helping kids build story, it really helps to keep things simple. Instead of focusing on perfect writing, focus on the confidence first. A simple way to do this is giving the simple structure like one character, one problem, and one solution. That's it. In fact, you can turn this into a 10-minute storytelling session. First, ask, who is the story about? Where does the story happen? What goes wrong? What do they try next? And finally, what did they learn? Just one question at a time. No pressure, no correction, just connection. Here's a clip of how my daughter started building her story. Hello friends, my name is Kirti and today I have my little daughter with me and her name is
Little princess.
I like that name, Little Princess. So are you wearing your thinking hat today?
I'm wearing my thinking crown.
You're wearing your thinking crown? I love that thinking crown. So today my daughter is going to help us to show how to make a story from a couple of questions those I would be asking her. So what are we making story about today?
It's going to be a fiction story.
It's going to be a fiction story. I like. Is it going to be animal or a robot or animal, robot or princess or dragon?
About a kitty cat.
About a kitty cat?
Mm-hmm.
What is her name?
Lily.
I like that name.
That's the main character, but there are more characters.
How many characters are there?
6.
Wow, so many characters. Okay,
But they're
so
not the main characters.
okay, let's focus about the main character right now. Okay, so Lily, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is special about her?
She likes to be beautiful.
She likes to be beautiful and
She likes to be kind, helpful.
she is pretty good. What else she likes?
She likes to be a nice friend.
Does she have any goal for her life, like dream of her life?
No.
No? Okay. Does she has any bad habit?
No.
No? Okay. She's so good, that means, right?
Yes.
So we have cute little cat named Lily, right?
Kitten.
Oh, she's kitten. Okay. Now, where does Lily live?
In a castle with her friends.
In a castle with her friends? Wow. So now every story has this one part. You know what? One day something happens.
Yes, I know that.
Okay. So what is going to happen next?
It's not that time yet.
You go ahead. What do you want to tell?
I'm going to tell the first part and then the second. And then the second.
Okay.
I already have the story in my mind, that's why.
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
Lily lives with her friends. One day, they wanted to find a new friend.
That's a good thing.
So when Lily opened the door and started walking, they came across a big bad scary dog.
Ooh. So what happened next?
The next, they saw a hill, and they carefully hid behind it with no sound.
That's a good idea. Was dog very very scary?
Yes, I said the big bad scary dog.
Oh, I'm so silly. Yes. So they escaped from there and hid behind a hill, right?
Yes.
Okay.
To escape the dog.
Okay, to escape the dog. Then, what happens next?
While running away,
Mm-hmm.
they found a hurt kitten.
Oh, while running away, they find a hurt kitten. Why is that kitten hurt?
I was going to tell that.
Okay, yeah, tell me.
Because the big bad scary dog scratched her.
Oh, the dog scratched her?
Yes.
And the kitten is hurt? Now what happens?
They take her home.
Who?
The hurt kitten.
Who take her home?
The Lily and her friend.
Oh, Lily and her friends. Oh, so silly. So Lily and her friends. Happens, right? Lily and her friends take hurt kitten home. Why do they take her home?
Because they want her to feel better.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, what happens after they take her home?
They planned for the next day. They just had planned. No, what to do if the big bad scary dog comes again? And just then, the herd kitten says, the dog doesn't like the sounds that the kittens make. Meow.
Oh, the dog doesn't like the sound those kittens make, the meow sound. Okay, so what do they do then?
They discuss that if the dog ever comes again, they will do some meow sound.
They will do the meow sounds together?
Yeah.
What will happen with that? You will get irritated
Yeah.
and run away.
Yes.
Nice idea. They came up with real clever idea.
With just a little bit of help.
From a herd kitten.
But just it's not finished.
Yeah, what happens next? I'm curious to know.
Maybe you already said it.
What? Oh, I said it. He will run away.
Yeah.
Okay. So what happens next? Still, I want to know what happens next.
The next day, the kittens were playing outside of the garden, like the castle garden.
Okay.
And the big bad scary dog appeared again.
Now what?
Just as they had planned, they did the meow sound. And the dog got irritated and ran away.
Oh, that's a good thing. Then what happens?
And then that's the end of the story.
That's the end of the story?
No, a little bit is left.
Okay.
And then they live happily ever after. And they have a happy and safe playtime.
I like that. I like that story. Okay, so what did you learn from this story? What is the moral?
Always be kind. Always be helpful. And always, teamwork makes a big help for things.
Yeah, teamwork. Yes.
There's one more.
Okay.
Friendship is helpful.
Yeah, and
What do I add?
there is one more thing, I guess. Can you think of something more? Why did the dog run away?
Oh, I got it. You don't need strength to fight anything off. You can use a clever idea.
Yes. Wow, I like that thing. So we have our story with us and a moral as well. Do you want to tell the story without me asking questions?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, tell me.
One day, there lived a kitten named Lily in a castle with her friends. And one day, they wanted to go find a new friend. When they opened the door and started walking, they came across a big, bad, scary dog that and then they saw a big hill and they hid behind it, quickly hid behind it.
And then?
And then, I was going to say that. They started running. While running, they saw a herd kitten. It was hurt by the dog. They took her home. And then they started discussing what to do if the dog came again. So, while discussing, just then, the herd kitten took the we told a little secret that the dog doesn't like the sound, just irritated with the sounds that the cat make, like the kittens make. Not the sound, no. And so, then they started discussing if the dog ever comes again, they will do the meow sound, and together, and then that will irritate the dog and he will run away. And then the next day, the kittens were playing outside the castle, running, and then the big bad scary dog appeared again. And then they did what they planned. Together they did meow, meow, meow sounds And then the dog got irritated and ran away. And then, after he ran away, they had a happy and safe playtime, and they lived happily ever after.
I love that story. You might have noticed something interesting. She came up with 4 characters instead of 1. And in that moment, I didn't correct her or try to simplify things. Instead, I gently let her treat those 4 kittens as one group, almost like a single character in the story. Sometimes giving children a little space help their imagination grow naturally. And here's something I have learned. If child gets stuck, don't give them answer. Just give them 2 small choices. For example, was kitten feeling sad or mad? Did they hide or ask for help? Small choices unlock big imagination. And once the story is ready and said, the next step is illustration. This is where children bring their ideas to life visually, and often their creativity expands even more. In the next video, we will talk through how kids can illustrate their stories step by step in a simple way. I have created a simple story builder workbook with exact questions to ask, plus easy fill in the blank templates you can use with your child. I have even included a real story my daughter created using this method, so you can see how it works in real life. You will find all of that in the description below. If you enjoy helping your kids build stories and creativity, please consider subscribing. We will be exploring more simple ways to support our children's imagination and creativity. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.